We interrupt our broadcast for a test of the emergency alert system in the following localities: Louisa County, Spotsylvania County, Orange County, Hanover County, and Caroline County. All EAS stations serving these localities are requested to broadcast the following test message for the Dominion Virginia Power Company's North Anna Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. The sirens you just heard were a test of the early warning siren system around the North Anna Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. The early warning siren system is designed to provide an alerting signal to the people who live within 10 miles of the North Anna Nuclear Power Station. In the event of an actual emergency, 4 separate 3-minute siren blasts would be sounded, each 3-minute blast separated by 1 minute, alerting you to tune to your local emergency alert system radio or television station. To repeat, the sirens you just heard were a test of the alert warning siren system at Dominion's North Anna Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
This is a message from the Emergency Alert System.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there has been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.